Are you looking for the best toolbox reviews? In this video we will look at some of the best toolbox reviews on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Case Bag Organizer Storage Box. 100% brand new and high quality. We support retail, dropshipping, wholesale, customized ABS protective toolbox. Excellent functions of waterproof, mold-proof, compressive strength, dust prevention. For cameras, lenses, hardware, chemical instruments, precise instruments, etc. Widely used in aviation, outdoor photography, field investigation and many other fields. Composite material prevents the collapse of the tool case. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If there is any problem with the use of the product, please contact me and solve the problem. For you to resend our refund, please don't give a low score directly. You and I both lose money if you only give bad reviews. Thank you, dear customer. Number 2. Waterproof Hard Carry Case Toolbox. The Maximum 22 large waterproof toolbox features a dust and waterproof seal for maximum protection, as well as multiple padlock sealing points for maximum security. The toolbox features an automatic pressure release valve and a set of easy-to-open double-throw latches to keep opening and closing quick and easy. This tool chest also features a load-tested handle to allow for more comfortable transport, and a fixing point for a shoulder strap in case you've really loaded it with tools. The storage box uses an interlocking stacking system, so it can be combined with any other compatible Maximum toolbox. Corrosion-free nylon pins allow this storage solution to resist more damage over time, and contains pick foam inserts to guard the interior from dents and scratches. This type chest boasts a highly secure IP67 rating, which means that it's completely sealed from dust and water to a depth of up to 100 centimeters, 1 meter. All in all, the chest is a solid solution for all-purpose tool storage. Number 3. Household Portable Toolbox. This stainless steel toolbox is made of 409 stainless steel and ABS plastic, which has the characteristics of rust prevention, corrosion resistance, and impact resistance. It has a long service life and can withstand harsh environments. Internally, there is a movable tray for easy classification and organization of your tools. The double-layer design increases your storage capacity by 20%, allowing you to store more repair tools. Whether it's car repair, woodworking, home storage, or fishing gear storage, it's a good choice. Number 4. Household Toolkit Toolbox. Tackle many tasks around the home with this versatile Apollo Tools 71-piece household toolkit. It contains all the items necessary for most projects. Use this repair toolkit for fixing furniture, tightening loose bolts, and more. Every part is contained in a sturdy, blow-molded case with a built-in carrying handle for convenient storage. All pieces in this hand toolkit are heat-treated and chrome-plated to resist corrosion. It comes with a tape measure, metal clamps, a hacksaw, pliers, ruler, level, wrench, hammer, screwdriver, and much more. Complete DIY tool set, for wood, metal, craft, decoration, hanging, assembly, home, and garage repairs. A clever selection of the most reached for hand tools used for DIY household repairs and maintenance tasks. This practical set of tools makes DIY faster and easier for home repair jobs. For DIY enthusiasts, for DIY projects and repairs, this set has the most useful tools you'll need, perfect for replacing screws, turning nuts, stripping wire, grabbing, holding, rotating, or bending. Number 5. Heartstack System 3 Case. With 3 removable clear plastic containers, this Hart System 3 set organizer placement for your fasteners, screws, nuts, bolts, bits, and more. Also offers serious crafters and home DIYers alike a flexible way to organize, store and transport small to medium-sized items. Everything about this organizer is designed to give you maximum flexibility. Since you won't always need all your items with you at the same time, This modular organizer gives you the option of taking either one organizer container or the whole storage unit to wherever you're working. Each of the containers can be easily customized using the movable dividers to create the spaces that suit your storage need best. Heartstack System 3 Set Organizer is constructed of lightweight yet highly durable plastics that will keep your contents protected from the rigors of everyday usage. The Heartstack System 3 Set Organizer can also be easily assembled onto the Heartstack system, so you can take your small items securely from place to place.